In this video, we're going to learn more about the process groups. First, initiating. Initiating is concerned with starting a project and developing the initial requirements to begin the project. So initiating is primarily concerned with how you're going to start the project. Next, let's talk about planning. Planning involves establishing what is to be done on the project and defining the course of action of how the project and its requirements will be achieved. Therefore, in planning, you will decide on how you're going to do the project. Now let's talk about executing. Executing is concerned with doing the actual work to achieve the project's objective. So in executing, the actual work required to do the project will be done, and the project manager will be responsible for directing and managing it. Next, let's talk about monitoring and controlling. Monitoring and controlling includes tracking, reviewing, and regulating the performance of the project. It involves creating a check and balance for the work being done on the project and ensuring that everything meets the defined criteria. It also includes implementing changes as required on the project. To be more specific, let's focus on monitoring and controlling separately. Monitoring refers to collecting, measuring, and analyzing information related to the project's performance. It evaluates whether there have been any variations on the project based on its performance. Controlling refers to making sure that appropriate corrective actions have been taken in order to bring the project on track as per the defined criteria or standards. So in case the project is not going according to the required or planned performance, controlling will implement the actions required to bring the project performance back on track. So monitoring is more about measuring performance, while controlling is more about taking corrective actions in case the project is not on track. Finally, let's talk about closing. Closing involves finalizing all the activities of the project and formally closing the project. So in closing, the project and all the work related to it is wrapped up and closed.